Hey, this is Stephen Christie with the Christie Realty Group. Very excited to show you this beautiful home in the city of Westwood. Here we are in the middle of the Los Angeles corridor, one of the best communities called Westwood, which are surrounded by the Beverly Hills, Century City, Santa Monica, and very close to downtown LA. You're going to really enjoy this newly built, modern architecture. Now you're talking about technology at the highest level. You're going to enjoy the space and the openness from the great room to the kitchen to the dining room, which flows all the way to the outside backyard. Great for your entertainment. This gourmet kitchen is built for the chefs to enjoy with your family and friends with up-to-date appliances. You're going to love to be able to cook out of this kitchen. So this home has 4 floors, with the highest you can get in this community. You're going to go up to the actual rooftop area and use the elevator for all 4 floors. This home has 5 bedrooms, 7 half baths, and you walk into the 2nd floor, you'll see the 4 ensuite bedrooms, which have views from every single window of the city and the city lights. So when you're walking through all the way to the primary bedroom, it's amazingly open space, nice, beautiful modern fireplace, 2 large closets, and then you walk into the primary bathroom with a huge shower, nice tub, sauna area, and amazing stonework. You're gonna wanna be living in this bedroom. So what you're gonna rarely get here in California is this amazing lower level basement area, which is set up for all your entertainment. You have from the gym to the atrium area, and as you walk back through here, you have a whole entertainment area as well for the bar, the wine coolers, and it takes you all the way down to the theater room. Now, also down here, you have your another bedroom with ensuite bathroom, and you also have your laundry facility area here as well. After you enjoy the 5,600 living space you get at this home, this beautiful backyard is to boast for, with a pool and spa, an incredible barbecue area, and very, very private. Fourth floor and the rooftop area. I'm so excited to share this with you. You know, when you come out here to the rooftop, you got a nice open space to sit down and enjoy. Also, the views are endless. You have all the way from Century City, all the way Beverly Hills, Westwood, along the Wilshire corridor, all the way through Santa Monica. Thank you for watching this tour of the home. My team and I at the Christie Realty Group look forward to hosting you for your own private tour. Look forward to seeing you.